water cycle and the process involving the water cycle. I think the water cycle is one of the most interesting topics in the environmental area. Okay. In order to provide you guys with a better explanation of the process of the water cycle, I will list 4 main stages or 4 main process.
Steps.
Is that same thing?
No, steps in the process.
Yeah, that's what I said. Process. First one, yeah, steps in the process. Okay. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Okay. In the evaporation, in this stage, the sun starts to evaporate the water in the water bodies. Water bodies are all the places with accumulation of water, you know, like oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, okay, all it is. The water in this stage is in the liquid stage, but change in water and due to heating, and heating due to sun exposure converts into gaseous form, you know. When if you put like a glass of cold water out of your house, like in your garden or something, in a hot day, the water, it will evaporate. This is like the evaporation stage. Okay. Slowly, these vapors of water start rising up to the sky. Okay. Transpiration, which is water escaping from plants due to sun heat, is also one of the biggest process of the evaporation. Okay. The second one is condensation. In this stage, the cloud formation occurs. Clouds are like, you know, in the sky, when you see the white ones, or I don't know how can I explain, the ones that you see in the sky, yeah, those are clouds. The water in the form of vapors start rising. The water in the form of vapors rising come down at a certain height. Height is like distance, you know, height. Height, that's what I said, height. At a certain height and condenses to form clouds. Okay. It's more like the vapor in the air gets cold and changes back to liquid. Another example, we can follow the same example of the glass of cold water in your garden or something. If you put in a hot day, you will see water outside of the glass. You know, the water. If you know, after a few hours or something, you'll see water outside of the glass. The water didn't somehow leak it through the glass. You know, it's the air, the power of the air. You know, or like it's more like the water vapor in the warm air turn back into liquid when it touches the glasses. Okay. The third one is precipitation. In precipitation, the water keeps condensing to form the clouds. But when there is too much accumulation of water in these clouds, the clouds become heavy. So the water starts to fall back, like in the form of rain or snow or something. You know. So this means that the air can no longer hold this much amount of water, and the water, yeah, starts to fall back. Okay. Sometimes this collected water comes down to the Earth's surface in the form of snow or partially melted snow, what we call sleet. Sleet is when is a type, how can I say, it's a mix of snow and rain, you know. Yeah, it's when you see like in the skies that start falling like snow and rain, this is sleet. Okay, let me see. And rarely acid rain can be observed because of the environmental pollution. See, okay. The last stage, the final stage, collection. The water falling down in the form of or snow gets collected in different water bodies, oceans, lakes, rivers, etc. When it falls on the ground, it is stored under the ground, so we call groundwater. We call we call groundwater. And when it falls on the ground, will either soak into the earth and become part of the groundwater that plants and animals use to drink, or it may run over the soil and collect in the ocean, lakes, or river, where the cycle starts all over again. So, in conclusion, what I can explain is that this is a repetition process. You know, we don't know when this process started, and we don't know when it's going to end, because the water cycle started in the creation of the world. We don't know exactly when the world was created. You know, so